and in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 such books which are easy to read and are perfect for beginners, because once if you start reading these books then you will not be able to stop, because the plot is very interesting and fascinating to read, and at the same time the language is very readable. So yeah, let's get started with the video. The first book on my list is Believe in Yourself. This is by Joseph Murphy, and in this book Joseph has talked about how to believe in yourself to achieve something. He has talked about various situations in which we can believe in ourselves and do whatever we want to do. To start something, we need to believe. To be successful in life, to be successful we need to start, and the main motive of starting is believing. Till the time we are not believing ourselves, we cannot start something to achieve something. So yeah, he has talked about all those things in this book, and this is very thin book to start with. It is of 72 pages and is absolutely perfect for beginners, because at the starting we all need to start with very thin books to be completed in one sitting, two sitting, or as much time as we have. So yeah, the first book is this. The second book on my list is Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy. This book is my absolute favorite, because this book came in my life when I was very depressed in life and I have nothing to do. This book taught me how to deal with situations, because in this book a girl is evolved through all difficult situations, especially the mental health, and Preeti has talked about mental health in great perspective. And yeah, Preeti's first novel was this, and I love her writing, and this is absolutely great. The third book on my list is Wish I Could Tell You by Durjoy Datta. This book is very good. This is my first book from Durjoy Datta, and in this book Durjoy has talked about two people falling in love, and this book is full of suspense. You will not be able to keep it down because you want to know what is happening next, and I guess there is still need to be published the second book of the first one, because the story is still incomplete in this one. So yeah, I love this book because till the last page I was so hooked. I completed this book in one sitting, in one day. I was doing everything while reading this book, like eating, doing anything, brushing my teeth, I was reading this book. So yeah, this is very great and perfect for beginners, I guess. The third book on my list is Dear Stranger, I Know How It Feels by Ashish. In this book Ashish has written 30 letters to a stranger. Being a friend, he has told you that how it feels, and he know what you are going through, and he is there as a friend. And yeah, this book was gifted to me on my birthday this year, and I absolutely love, because I was so fascinated to get this book and my friend gifted it. This was the perfect gift on my birthday, because I was in such a dark zone this time when I got this book, and this was absolutely life saver for me. So yeah, next book is this. The last book on my list is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, and I know everybody has talked and heard about this book a lot, because this is the perfect book for beginners to start with. I was so fascinated by this book. I was in 8th class when I got this book as my subject book, and yeah, I love her. I love Anne Frank, and I know everybody who has read this book loves Anne Frank. I got so motivated by reading this book that I started my journal when I was in 8th. So yeah, this book is perfect for beginners, because you'll be motivated, because the girl, I mean Anne Frank, has taught you to live in the moment, because she was in the war situation. She still she fought through all the situations, and she kept finding happiness in small things. So yeah, last book on my list is this. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please tell me what all videos you like to see on my channel. And yeah, I hope you all are safe and having great days. So yeah, bye till the next time.